So tell me all about your trip. Did you get shelled and mortared and rocket bombed and?
Yeah, but you know, they have the Iron Dome, so I slept. I mean, the siren's so loud you want to go to the safe room, but
All right. This is case 060349743. Cancel your appearances.
good afternoon, Judge. My name is Fran Fine, bar number 25, present on behalf of Christopher Horodesky, who was not present because I told him he didn't need to be here.
Danielle Dawson, bar number 11792, on behalf of defendant who's present.
Okay. So. I mean, we're here today. I got your reply,
And I do apologize for that.
and I mean, we've got the requests. I don't know how much of a difference number 6 makes one way or the other.
Well, she's admitted it because she's admitted that she's filed complaints. She says she denies it, but I think the time for her to object is long gone. I mean, it's a given. We can prove that she's done that.
Well, there's no objection, it's a denial of
Right.
her request.
But yeah,
She's denying that she filed complaints, so she's standing by that denial. She never filed those complaints. Wouldn't you rather have the denial on the record than an admission for impeachment purposes?
Judge, I just
I just,
think we have to follow the rules, and if we don't follow the rules, then we are totally and completely.
well,
I mean, follow the rules, and here I am late, and here she is blaming her secretary. So we're both not following the rules.
and that's the problem, is we've got the rules. It works better if we follow the rules, but I understand things come through. Look, here's the bottom line is, I'm gonna allow her admissions to stand as they are. I think at the time of an evidentiary hearing, her denial in number 6 is going to be much more powerful to you an impeachment if you can prove that it's untruthful than me, procedurally making it an admission.
Great.
Okay, because just the fact that whether or not she filed a complaint against somebody, I mean, I don't know what that means to me, if anything. But if she denies it, and the fact is she did it, that's something that evidentiarily I can certainly make a finding on and take into consideration.
The problem I have is that most of those complaints are confidential, number one.
I
But
got you.
she's the one that says in every pleading, you can't be on this case because I filed a complaint against you.
Right. Well, here's what I'm saying. Just because she said it, I mean it's all going to come out in testimony. I don't want to procedurally put you in a position where it has less evidentiary weight than otherwise. If you need me to sign subpoenas to obtain records, I'm more than happy to sign subpoenas. And if they want documents to be strictly in-camera review, I don't have a problem with that.
Then I have another issue, and we're gonna be back before you.
And
Right.
and if it does increase your discovery costs and
Here, I wouldn't have gotten the admissions if I hadn't filed my motion.
line is that
Your Honor, I apologize, but Rule 511 is also a rule, and that was not followed at all, and all of this could have been circumvented by a simple phone call or an email, which Ms. Fine has shown she's emailed me a number of times.
Where did she go to law school, and what rules is she looking at? I have no obligation to notify her that her answers are late. She has an obligation to watch her calendar.
All right.
That's what good lawyering is.
well, and before you file, she's referring to the rule that says before you file a motion, you're supposed to try and resolve the matter. Okay, that's the rule she's referring to.
I did that, and I know that I've done that, and you know what,
Look,
Judge?
okay,
I don't know.
time out. Stop. Look, here's the bottom line. Her answers are going to stand. If you need, like I say, if you're right and she's filed these complaints and she's denied it, and you prove it through discovery, I mean, that would certainly be basis for an award of attorney's fees. Okay, as we stand today, I understand secretaries people in the office screw things up. You think things get done and they don't get done. The bottom line is Ms. Fine had to incur a significant amount of expenses. Could it have been minimized? Yes, but the court's going to award attorney's fees of $500. I know it's not a lot, but it's what we're going to do at this point in time. We're going to allow that answer to stand, $500 in fees, and I think that resolves everything that we have for today.
It does.
Okay, all right.
We're gonna be back here on other discovery issues in another couple of weeks.
I'm sure we will, but like I said, with this case, if you do need, contact these agencies and find out what they want. If I have to sign a subpoena and we have to do it in chambers or however they want to go about it, then let's do it. Because I know those things are discoverable somehow.
Well, I'm gonna have them testify. I'm gonna have Nick Ponzo testify. I'm gonna have to have most of these people, Katie Steinkamp's gonna be testifying.
Well, and I get you, but the bottom line is there's a difference between her saying I filed a complaint against you, and her actually going down and filing a complaint. So, like I say, I think
Got it.
I'm the judge. I'm the one that makes the decision. I like this. I
Okay.
like this better
Okay.
than me saying procedurally, okay, she's admitted it. Let's let her stand with her statement there. She didn't do it. And if it turns out she did, I mean, that'll go that way. If it turns out that she's telling everybody she did, but she didn't, I mean, it's all credibility related.
Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate it.
All right, thank you. So you're with Brian Steinberg now?
I am.
How long have you been there?